In New York, another literary tradition has become the obsession of a writer named Edward Robb Ellis. Now in his 70s, Ellis is a retired reporter. He remains, however, an active historian, a constant reader, and a regular observer of contemporary life. Part of his daily routine consists of recording his comments in a journal that has become the longest diary in the world. As a professional writer, he has published a series of critically acclaimed historical works. As a historian, Ellis recognizes the value of personal journals and urges others to acquire the habit he has maintained for over 50 years.
To anyone who wants to start keeping a diary, I would suggest that they do two major things. One, that they write physically in the same place every day, and two, that they write at about the same time of the day, that is, morning, afternoon, or evening, just to establish the habit. When I started writing my diary, I was 16 years old. Now I'm 74 years old. It was on my 50th birthday, I think, that I felt a bit shaken by my age. And so on that birthday, here's what I wrote. My prime emotion upon arriving at the age of 50 is one of surprise. Surprise that I should live so long. Surprise that it should seem so short. Surprise that I'm not world famous. Surprise that I should be surprised that I'm not world famous. Well, my mind is better than ever. My attention is disrupted far less often by passion and guilt. And matters once so mysterious now seem obvious.
The massive Ellis diary is housed at the University of Wyoming as part of a special collection. Ellis hopes that a national repository will be created to preserve, as important historical documents, the diaries of ordinary people. His diary will provide future historians with an invaluable resource, the pithy observations of a trained reporter determined to record his honest reactions. It's a remarkable document that chronicles encounters with movie stars like Greta Garbo, as well as colorful off-the-record interviews with political personalities like Louisiana Governor Huey Long. Then there's the gritty reality of being an anonymous soldier facing the terrors of war. The value of such diaries to future historians is immense. As evidence of that, the library recently insured the Ellis diary for over $1 million. In Buenos Aires,